Welcome back to Iconic Pop Trivia. Think you know your animal facts? Only 1% get every question right. Can you? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's go. Which one can leap higher? A kangaroo or a deer? If you guessed kangaroo, you're right. Which one is known for its black and white stripes? A zebra or a tiger? A zebra, of course. Which one uses echolocation? A bat or an owl? The correct answer is bat. Which one can mimic human speech? A parrot or a crow? A parrot can. Which one lays the largest eggs? An ostrich or an eagle? Did you say ostrich? You're right. Which one has the thickest fur? Polar bear or sea otter? It's a sea otter. Which one is the heaviest snake? An anaconda or a python? An anaconda is the heaviest. Which one has the longest lifespan? Elephant or bowhead whale? The correct answer is bowhead whale. Which one is faster in water? A shark or a dolphin? Did you say dolphin? If so, you're correct. Which one has the largest wingspan? An albatross or a condor? The right answer is an albatross. Which one can regenerate its tail? A gecko or an iguana? A gecko. Which one is nocturnal? A hamster or a rabbit? The correct answer is a hamster. Which one is found only in Madagascar? A lemur or a sloth? The answer is lemur. Which one has a mane? A zebra or a lion? I'm not lying, it's a lion. Which one lives in groups called pods? A whale or a sea turtle? The correct answer is whale. Which one builds nests in trees? A weaver bird or a penguin? That one was easy. It's a weaver bird. Which one has the longest migration route? An Arctic tern or a monarch butterfly? An Arctic tern has the longest route. Which one is a scavenger? A vulture or a flamingo? Vulture is correct. Which one uses camouflage to hide from predators? Octopus or jellyfish? The correct answer is octopus. Which one has a shell? Tortoise or snake? The right answer is tortoise. Which one can walk sideways? A crab or a turtle? Did you guess crab? That's right. Which one produces pearls? A clam or a lobster? A clam does. Which one is known for building coral reefs? Sea anemone or coral polyp? Coral polyp is the correct answer. Which one can roar, a tiger or a wolf? The answer is tiger. Which one is venomous, a cobra or a python? Stay away from cobras! Which one can glide through the air? A flying squirrel or an armadillo? A flying squirrel can. Which one lives in fresh water? An alligator or a crocodile? An alligator does. Which one uses sonar to hunt? A dolphin or a shark? The correct answer is dolphin. Which one has no teeth? An anteater or a porcupine? The correct answer is an anteater. Which one is native to Australia? An emu or a flamingo? An emu is native to Australia. Which one can live without water for long periods? A camel or a zebra? Camel is the correct answer. Which one has a poisonous bite? A tarantula or a black widow spider? A black widow spider has a poisonous bite. Which one is an herbivore? A gorilla or a lion? A gorilla is. Which one sleeps during the day? An owl or a falcon? Did you guess owl? If so, you're right. Which one produces milk for its young? A platypus or a snake? A platypus does. Which one is the largest rodent? A capybara or a beaver? A capybara is the correct answer. Which one has feathers? A penguin or a turtle? Okay, that was another easy one. It's a penguin. Which one can climb trees? A sloth or a hippo? A sloth, of course. Which one is called the ship of the desert? A camel or a llama? The correct answer is a camel. Which one lives in the ocean? A sea lion or a leopard seal? A leopard seal. Which one has stripes? A tiger or a cheetah? A tiger is the correct answer. Which one can smell underwater? A crocodile or a dolphin? A crocodile can. Which one is smaller? A meerkat or a mongoose? The right answer is a meerkat. Which one is a marsupial? A kangaroo or a platypus? kangaroo is the marsupial. Which one has the ability to glow? A firefly or a moth? A firefly can glow. Which one can survive freezing temperatures? A polar bear or a penguin? A penguin can. Which one eats bamboo? A panda or a koala? A panda eats bamboo. Which one is found in Antarctica? An emperor penguin or an Arctic fox? An emperor penguin. Which one is the largest bird? An ostrich or a pelican? An ostrich is the largest. Which one can mimic other animals? A lyrebird or a toucan? If you said lyrebird, you're correct. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trivia fun. And if you're ready for your next challenge, check out the next video. It's just a click away. See you there.